Is it illegal for me to give an AR-15 to my kid as a gift?
Generally speaking, if you have parental supervision, I think there's not really an issue with letting your generally teenage child um, having a weapon like that. But with the new potentially with new laws down the pike and different things, I think it's something that people should be aware of. Now, even if they were to raise the gun laws to say you couldn't buy an AR-15 until you're 21, that probably will not affect being able to use one. So it really would not put that much of a burden because generally speaking, 18-year-olds don't have the money to buy an AR-15 anyway. They're going to have to get that from parents or somebody like that. So it wouldn't affect somebody's ability to hunt or anything like that. It just means that it's a little bit of a barrier before giving somebody the ability to get a very expensive and powerful weapon. But again, it would not affect use. And I think that people need to realize that you could still use one, but with a parent. So